back to another episode of Table Talk in the Garden. So today, you guys, I'm actually sitting out, literally out in the garden. I usually have like a table, but I'm actually sitting on the grass, you guys, so that I could provide you guys a nice little background. So in today's video, I have my cabbage and mustard greens along with my pinta flowers right here in the background for you guys. So the reason why I'm like basically sitting on the ground, like literally, is because everything is like low level. So today I'm going to organize all of these seeds. Let me show you guys the organizer that I will be using. All right, so this is the organizer that I purchased earlier this week. Quite a few people are using this system. It's basically a photo and craft keeper, so you can store like photos and any crafts that you want to keep in these containers. So, and I'm going to show you the containers in a few. This holds 4" by 6" photos, and then the measurements for the container itself is 14.9" by 12" by 5". Okay, now I'm going to open it for you guys. All right, okay, so this is what the inside looks like. It has 16 individual cases that you can utilize for your seeds, you guys. So yeah, I feel like this will be sufficient enough for me to, you know, categorize all of my seeds and get them organized. So once I get my label maker, you guys, I will be putting like the variety type, such as beans, tomatoes, flowers. I may break down the flowers though, depending on the varieties that I buy, like morning glory, zinnias, things like that. I may break those down a little bit more so that I can know what type of flowers are in there, or I may not, I don't know. And then on this side, I plan on putting the suggested planting month. So for example, these flowers are suggested to grow from February to September. So over here, I would put from 2 to 9 to represent that I can replant those flowers from February to September. I like the fact that my seeds can be protected in these cases. It's like a double seal. Well, it's actually like a triple seal. They're in a package. Then you place them into like the clear photo cases, and then they are also protected by this huge case right here. So another thing that I liked about these cases were how they fit larger packages like this. This is a better example. So sometimes, you know, you usually have like these size seeds, but and I was thinking about doing like the baseball sleeves. I was thinking about doing that option, but I realized that I may purchase some package seeds that are like a little bit more larger than like the regular size packaging. So of course you can see like the size difference between these two. Then of course like this one right here, it's like, yeah, it's way larger than these two. That's the reason why I went with this option, because the photo cases can fit larger size packages. I did not want to do like the baseball sleeve option because it just would not accommodate the larger size packages that I had, and that's how much room it still has. So I have the first case filled, and so all you have to do is just place them into these little compartments right here. I like the fact that they put these dividers in here to separate each of the photo cases so that you can put it in like this, and it won't be sliding up and down. So I like that. So, okay, so I'm gonna put my tomatoes in one. All right, let's do the cucumbers. So here's one right here. Like I said, I think that these are great options for organizing your seeds. It's protected. Like I said, you don't have to worry about them coming out. Like if you did the baseball sleeves, they still have that opening where they could possibly fall out. So yeah, I like this option. So you can shake it up. I ain't gonna shake it up too much though. So I'm gonna place that down in here like so, and there we go. Oh, I did this one the wrong way. So there we go. I'm gonna put my flowers in here, the zinnias. I think I got another one here. Yeah, so I think, yeah, I'm going to just do individual cases for the flowers because I have quite a few flowers and I need to know which months I can actually plant these flowers. So I am going to just put like the zinnias in separate cases, and then my morning glory flowers, and I plan on getting some more of these because I think these are so beautiful. And I have a variety that climbs, you guys. Oh, here's another. So I'm going to put my morning glory flowers into one. And when should I plant these? Oh yeah, I can plant these from March through May. All right, put my sunflowers And I'm almost done. Right, here's the other one. Okay, put that in there. Place the beans in one. My brassicas. Let's put this in here. I have like little small packages also, so I'm going to put that at the top. Spinach. So I have my all-season cabbage and my Georgia collards that will go in here. That will go in here, like so. The herbs. Onions, and I do have more onions coming. My lettuce. What is this? Oh, that's flour. Spinach. Okay. Lettuce in here. So I'm going to place the herbs in here. And last but not least, the okra. The last one in here. So this is basically what everything looks like with all my seeds in it, and I love it. Like I said, I'll just have to go back in and, you know, make some labels for each of the individual cases, but for the most part I think this is sufficient enough for me. Let me show you how you can, you know, bring it outside. So you close it, and then this little handle actually clicks to lock it in, and you are good to go, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video showing you how I organized my seed packages using this large photo case. It's convenient. It will keep my seeds safe. The great thing about this is you have two ways that you can bring out the seeds, either using the individual cases and just bringing out the seeds that you need to plant into your raised beds, or you could bring the whole case out to your garden and figure out what seeds you wanted to plant into your raised bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Table Talk in the Garden. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that red notification button, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, happy gardening. Peace.